Discover a paradise you've always dreamed of. An exclusive experience that blends uniqueness, quietness, and the privilege of living in the Riviera Maya, Mexico, connecting with the main cities of the world. Corozal is much more than a real estate development. It is a residential community that offers the ultimate lifestyle experience while still giving a sense of home. Here, you'll find first-class infrastructure, direct access to the beach, and a strategic location that connects you to all the points of interest in the area. In Corozal, you'll find high-end residential projects that cater to your tastes and needs. Palm Beaches, where architecture invites you to enjoy serenity with vast green areas and outdoor spaces seamlessly blended into the environment. The Village, surrounded by the beautiful jungle landscape, emerges a place where you can enjoy activities along with your family. Costa Residences, a relaxed beachside living experience in a privileged location in the Riviera Maya, with breathtaking views of the turquoise blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. La Escondida. Submerged within the captivating jungle of Corozal, this pristine space offers an unparalleled opportunity to design the residence of your dreams amid stunning natural landscapes and conveniently located near the Grand Coyote course. Corozal, the finest version of your life. Our membership grants you access to unequal wellness living experiences. Indulge yourself with a golf round at the awe-inspiring Grand Coyote Golf Course, a championship-level course that promises an unforgettable experience. Immerse yourself in the ultimate serenity and lavish of the exclusive Costa Beach Club, where pampering knows no boundaries and paradise awaits. Embark on an adventurous journey at the park. Explore the nature. Enjoy fresh produce from our organic orchards. The place where uniqueness meets the tranquility of living in the best beach destination. Empowered by Origina, an experienced and renowned developer. Be part of this community where your dreams come true. Are you ready to discover the finest version of your life?